Hey everyone, Joe here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Husky brand of tool storage options, and in particular this 84-inch mobile workbench. Now I bought a Husky tool chest a few years ago, and at that time I did a bunch of research. I looked at the Craftsman, the Harbor Freight Yukon, just to name a couple, and I just kept coming back to the Husky brand. I just felt that they offered the best product for the price and a good value. Now these are available in a few different configurations in overall length, drawer combinations, type of top, whether it's wood or stainless. And I settled on this 84-inch model with 18 drawers. It is exactly 84 inches long and 24 inches deep. Overall height, 39 inches. Fully welded 19 gauge steel. And empty weighs in at 577 pounds. This is an 1.25 inch thick top. The drawers have ball bearing slides, soft closing, and 120 pound capacity. Now I won't be moving this around, but there are six 6-inch swivel casters which actually make it easy to move. Although I probably won't use it, it does come with 2 power centers with 6 outlets, 2 USB ports, and 1 USB-C, which is nice. Opening the drawer, it does come with liners, a set of handles, which is really the only thing you have to assemble on this unit. Owner's manual, and this is lockable, so it comes with a set of keys. Now I chose this particular drawer configuration because I do like the 2 longer drawers on top. This is where I'll place all my sockets, and it does have 2 slides on these deeper drawers, so I'm not concerned about the weight. All right, now for the exciting part. Let's start filling some drawers. These are pretty nice liners, nice and thick. Should hold up well. All right, got her all loaded up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.